Hi everyone! Here's a video on how to make super cute Halloween cookies. You'll need 1 cup of Crisco, 2 cups sugar, 4 eggs, half cup of milk, half cup of cocoa powder, 4 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, chocolate chips, and Reese's Pieces. First, we're going to start by making the chocolate mixture. I put a pan on the stovetop and add the milk and let that get heated up. And then I go ahead and add the cocoa powder into the milk, and I stir this really well as it all heats up and mixes together. Once that's mixed together, I set it aside to let it cool. Next, I'm going to use the mixer to cream together the sugar and Crisco. Once that's creamed together, I add the eggs and continue to mix. Then I'm going to add the flour a little bit at a time. Once the chocolate mixture is cooled down, I add that as well as the vanilla and mix this slowly until it's fully combined. Next, I add the baking powder and the salt. I let this mix together until I can't see any of the powder anymore. Then I stop the mixer and I add a handful or 2 of chocolate chips, as well as some Reese's Pieces. I combine this all really slowly on the stir speed. Once that's done mixing, I go ahead and put this in the fridge for about an hour. I preheat the oven to 400 degrees and get the cookie sheet ready. I like to coat the sheet with parchment paper to prevent the dough from sticking. And then I use my hands to make little dough balls about 1 inch in diameter and place them on the cookie sheet. I really love Reese's Pieces, so I like to add about 3 to the top of each dough ball. Then I bake these at 400 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes. And then I let these cookies cool down on the sheet before enjoying. I love how festive these are and they're delicious. Thank you for watching.